Yes, sir.
Hello, everyone. Sriram here, and we have a beautiful success story for 2021 PMP model. And Abhijit is in front of us, and who cleared just 18 minutes back. Just took a sip of water. You can see that in his shirt, and he just came here and tell that he cleared the examination and about targeting all. So it's really a great news. First of all, congratulations to Abhijit for this wonderful achievement. Really good job. You deserve all this great success.
Thank you so much, sir.
I know you should have only the scorecard. Your certificate will take 3 to 4 hours or sometimes 3 days to reach you. So quickly
Yes,
we'll
sir.
see your scorecard. Thanks for sharing it. First of all, here it goes.
Yes, sir.
It cleared on January 20th. Oh man, just few minutes back, and he's about target and all. God, you rocked it. That's great. That's great. But by the way, Abhijit, you have to wait for 3 4 hours and check in PMI dashboard. You should see
Yes,
the
sir.
report. If not, it takes 1 or 2 days to come. Right. So that's beautiful. First of all, which city you are now?
Sir, I'm from Indore, Madhya Pradesh, sir.
Okay. So how the exam is before I go to the exam stage. First, I want to understand how you got this gut feel. Okay, let me jump in and do this.
Sir, it's a very long story. Let me begin my story from starting. So,
Sure.
I'm working as a team lead in cyber infrastructure services, that is CMMI level 3 organization. So, we are working pretty good. And then my CEO has introduced a PMI training there. It's way 2 year ago, I had that training. So, in that, I literally read something related with all these PMI related things. So, I do have that training first. Then last year what I know that I have to take care of 5 sections, sir. So like my sections are quality, stakeholder communication, then cost and procurement. So these 5 sections I have to teach to the young manager who are there.
Very proud of
So these are just a basic brief outline. So like how we have to manage the project, what are the guidelines that we have to follow in my organization. And really I'm very thankful to my CEO that they gave me opportunity that okay, you can go and you can just teach them. So I took two batches there. So and after that, apart from that, I'm taking their scrum batches as well. So like the scrum and agile methodology that we have to take. So I'm just giving them the brief introduction and all those things. Apart from that, when we have to develop our own project management system, so at that time also I am in the architecture as well. So I suggest that this is how we can go with Kanban, this is how we can go with Scrum, like how this is how where we can create a story, this is where we can create artifact, all those things, like where we have to do with backlog and all those things. So
Okay.
literally like this, I'm pretty good in all those things. Like I can say that from PMI point of view, the agile part, I'm very strong in that agile part.
Okay.
So
That gave, okay, I'm ready. Okay.
yeah. So then that this lockdown happened. So I guess in May I joined your batch. So like my plan is that I should give the exam on 27 December. Okay.
Yeah.
But like my prep cast score are not good at all. So literally on 14th, I discussed with Rahul and Rahul told me, no, this is not recommended. So I say, okay, let's leave it. So
Right.
uh, I just canceled that exam.
Okay.
Then what happened is that I thought that I will give it later, but literally for 2 days I am unable to sleep. Like this is a kind of failure for me. Like I really have failure in my life. I do handle a good team. I have a pretty good with my project manager as well. Like things are pretty good. So this is the only failure in my life. So so after 2 days, and like I will also tell you one reason why the things are failing, because if you know that the flash is there, this flash is used to create the video, and on this January, this flash life ends. So no one know about that thing. So
Oh,
it is a kind of risk that I have, and that's why I have to involve a lot on my company project, because like we have to convert those two videos, and then the speed is not faster, this thing, that thing, then CDN is integrated, so all our things are integrated.
Got
So
you.
like that is done on 24th, and from 24th I decided that let's go for next month, whatsoever is the case. So I brought this latest version of Rita as well with me.
Man.
Yeah, so this Rita is done, and PMBOK, like I know pretty good PMBOK I read 2 times, so
Very,
I'm pretty good in PMBOK.
very good.
So that's how all about this journey that is going.
So
Yes.
nice. So, and is it a proctor-based exam?
Yeah, I gave the proctor based exam, and the I remember when Arthi is there in my batch, and when I heard her interview, she told me that you have to give it from hotel. So I like that idea very much. So I just booked this this hotel, and
Abhijit, I think the hotel business is picking up because of, see, I remember, I think Amrita, right? You're mentioning she's from Dubai, and she
yeah.
went to a hotel and did the exams. So it looked like a holiday trip. Along with that, an exam happening there. So now
No,
you're in
it's
hotel.
not like that, because what I want is that I'm a kind of mental peace at my end. I don't want that, internet is disconnecting. I don't have light. What should I do now? This is not happening. So, like, I just want to avoid those risks as well.
But that's a good risk mitigation strategy.
Yeah,
And
yeah, yeah, yeah.
can I assume that you are in a hotel now? This is your hotel room.
Yes, yes, yes. This is my hotel right now. Actually, the second risk that I have is that, when Proctor will see my room, and if he sees something like, oh, what is this? What is this? What is that? So that is also a big worry for me as well. Because,
Uh,
like accident.
Hotel, you'll have only the menu card there.
Yeah.
Right. So, quick information on the exam now, because that's a
Yes.
interesting. So,
Yeah. Related with the examination, we have 270 questions right now. So, 180, sorry. We have 180 question and 270 minutes right now.
okay,
Yeah.
4.5 hours.
Yes, yes, yes. So,
Sufficient time. You can sleep and write the exam. Yeah, please. Go
so
ahead.
so it's like my target is that for 60 question I will go for 90 minutes, so that's what my target is. And there are two break in the examination, that is for 10 minutes, so I did them properly, like.
When,
Yes.
sorry, when the break came up, what question the break comes up?
After 60 question the break came up, and I'm unable to go back to the 68 question. Like, once the 60 question will be over, then the break will be there, and then you cannot go back to that 60 questions. So I take the break of 10 minutes, that's it.
When is the second break coming?
Second break coming after 120 minutes, 120 questions.
60 and 120. Okay.
Yes. In between 16 and 120, we have two slots. Okay. And Proctor properly checked the room. She even checked my pockets. She told me that, okay, open your pocket as well, open this, open this. So I said, okay.
Okay. Okay. Interesting. So 180 questions, 270
Yes.
minutes, including
Yes.
one break at
Two
the
break
six.
in between that.
Next break as a 120th question. You did that.
Yes.
Okay. So how
Yes.
is it screened? You have one question at a time, and
Yes.
you have,
Yes. Yes.
okay. It's a,
See, I have one question at a time. I got all kind of questions. Like I got this thing, like I got the drag drop question as well. And drag drop question are very nice. You have 100% probability that you will complete those drag drop question. Even if you have the little concept of one thing, then on the basis of that, if two answers are correct, then you can um, uh, match other two. So drag drop question are very easy. In
what
multiple choice question, yes,
you're talking about match the following.
yes, match the following.
Acha, okay, that is easy questions for you. Okay.
Yes.
Match the following comes in agile or it comes with
Both I have this thing, like from the communication I have one question, from the risk I have one question, then from the HR management I have one question, and for
okay.
agile, like I have three questions.
Okay.
So
Okay.
like
Any question you get in the hotspot model, x-axis, y-axis, there will be a choice
no,
of no,
no, no,
no.
I just got one fill in the blanks question. One fill in the blank question is there.
Match the following. And do you got true or false?
No.
And do you got multiple response checkboxes?
Yes. And due to God grace, PMP is telling us that you have to select 2 answer or 3 answer. So that's where the elimination technique works properly.
Correct. I think if you don't choose 2 answers, it won't allow you to move, I believe. Do they have a validation? For example, A, B, C, D, E is there. You have to choose 2 choices. If
Yeah, after 2, I guess they got disabled. But like I didn't do any kind of experimentation right now. So I don't know. I just focus that, okay, 2 answer will be there. So whatever the best 2 are there, let's eliminate and let's do this thing.
I got you. Curiosity to know that. But again, you can't do that in the exam hall.
See, because what I have to do, I have to do time boxing. Because like till now, I completed a lot of examinations before as well. So time boxing is the main thing.
Got you. Okay, tell me.
Because
when you get this
yes,
kind of multi-choice questions, was it the
yes.
question pretty easy question, very tough question? How was it?
Multiple choice question are tough. Multiple choice question are really tough, and because like all scenario are matching. So it's the thing that now this thing happening now, what the project manager can do best from this thing. So that's how this thing is working. So in the agile, these questions are very straightforward. Like you can even learn the answer, because if you are working on agile and if you have the basic knowledge of Scrum and Kanban, then I don't think so, because
Basic, very basic.
yeah, they are very basic.
Like
yes. That's what my expression is. Like in between, I'm thinking why I go for Griffith right now. Because burn up chart, then the burn up chart, then burn down. Yes.
You are about to take the exam on December 27th. So you prepared a number and you practiced exams in that model. Then another 1 month later or 20 days later, you are doing a new pattern. Do you think there's a great difference in change, or the people who prepared already pretty enough, they can go and clear the exam?
Sir, people who prepared already for PMP, they don't find much issue, because this agile book is like very less. It is just around 138 139 pages that are there if we remove the annexure, and also like 90 pages are there that are main in agile book. So once I read agile book, I completed agile book in almost 4 days. So I ping Rahul, what is this going on here? What is this book is all about? So Rahul gave me that ACP video, and then I come to know that Griffith book is also there. So I go for Griffith as well and just try to learn, because what I want to make sure is that agile is the best thing, because we all are working in software industry, and for us the agile is the main strength.
Perfect. So if a person is from non-agile, say manufacturing or construction industry people, they have to read that 150 pages and get themselves comfortable.
Sir, what I feel right now is that, because these all are the real scenario question, because this happen in our organization. Like customer coming in our organization and telling me this should be done, this should be done, this should be done. Now what you should do. So we are generally doing these things, sir. If you are also working in agile, so you also know that okay, this is how it should be done, this is how it should be done. So if someone from non-agile industry, sir, he has to read Griffith one time. That's what my suggestion.
They have to spend some.
Because Griffith is very important book. If you don't have any agile experience, then you should read Griffith once, sir.
Well said. Well said. I appreciate your point. So see, the thing is, many people little fear. Can I go for the exam? Now I think it's getting a little clarified. If you read already for PMP in December or 2020, adding little more on agile. If you are IT guy, non-IT guy, read the book properly. A little bit on the Griffith book. Okay, very good, super. Now we have domains, right? At present, we have domain, people, process, and business environment. But last 2 years or last 1 year, we read about cost management, schedule management, risk management, which are very huge and lot of content. Do you see depth of question in cost management?
Yes, sir. Risk management is always very tough, sir. Risk management is the one thing that is always very tough. So if you want to crack PMP with good marks, then go for risk management properly, sir. Because I got good questions on risk management for this schedule. Also, I got from ITTO, I guess I got only 2 questions from ITTO. So ITTO, we can move it to less priority now because, like that's where most of the things are failing from last format, that ITTO, I don't care that ITTO. So,
Right.
so that's what the thing is. So, and also, just go for exam right now because maybe they will up their level and they will ask some question out of the universe.
Surprised if you check in PMI website,
Yes,
it
sir.
says 180 questions, 230 minutes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. But last 2, 3 people I'm hearing that they are giving 270 minutes in exam. It means they are having some extra time now. Soon they will shrink it and they'll increase the intensity. So
No, no,
anything.
sir. Like what I did is I talked to person who already cleared this PMI exam. So he
Uh-huh.
told me that you have 270 minutes. So on the basis of that, I did time boxing. I don't see this 230 minute for this thing, but I guess that in 230 minute also you can able to crack the exam. Exam is
But
because
in PMI like
yes,
that,
sir.
let me see that again. Okay, that's a good info. Now, how is on mathematics? Do they have formula-based questions?
Sir,
Calculate.
in the mathematics, this all the schedule and cost, like I have few questions related with that, but they are pretty straightforward. It's not like that I have to do a lot of thing. Like BSc is there, but I'm teaching BSc, so I did that by this thing only. I never use that calculator for all those things.
You are an expert, huh?
Not at expert, sir. It's like, sir, I'm very frustrated because I missed the PMP that time and I have to clear it.
I got your point. I got your point. Okay, that's interesting. Great. And
Sir, one thing is also there that I want to mention is that that fill in the blanks question. In the fill in the blanks, they have pretty good scenario. They are telling everything. It's not like that you go to PMBOK and on this line this is written. So do you write that thing? This is not the case for the fill in the blanks. In the fill in the blanks, they pretty give a good scenario that this is A, this is B, this is C, this is D, which you think will suit here. So there is only one question I got from the fill in the blanks, and that's it.
okay,
So
that's
but
interesting.
sir, this fill in the blanks is pretty tough. I guess that my answer for that fill in the blanks is wrong. This is not correct, sir.
Okay, I'm hearing from you, fill in the blanks is getting tougher.
Yes,
Multiple
sir.
responses also getting tougher.
Sir, it's not tough. Like, if you are pretty good in eliminating technique, you can solve that thing. But like, if they won't tell us that you have to select 3 answer or 2 answer, then it will be very tough, sir. Because, in one question, I have to select 3 answer. In one question, in like almost 6 question, I have to select 2 answer.
Three
So
answers. There are
yes,
three.
sir. Yes, sir. In one question, I have to select 3 answer as well.
So, okay, if it is three, are they giving A,
Six,
B, C, D,
6. A, B, C, D, E, F.
F?
Yes, sir.
Ah, okay. That's interesting. That's interesting. Okay. 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 Next, one thought here. We have three domains now: people,
Yes, sir.
process, environment.
Business environment.
In people, they are saying 42% questions. Do you found too much of drill inside resource management and stakeholder management? Do you felt it?
Sir, resource management is very easy, sir. Resource management, like I can say resource management, communication management, and stakeholder. These three are pretty good, and you can score 100% right now in those.
That is what I do, Abhijay. There are many people suffer in this area. That area is tough for many people.
Sir, because we have to create that thing, like we have to create that chart and we have to create that RAM analysis, Reiki analysis, all those things we have to already create that thing, sir. Our team member is not working, so what we have to do, we have to either coach them or give them training. What else is this?
Well said, well said. But actually, there are many people
Sir,
struggling in this.
and one more tip is also there, sir. Like whomsoever will give the exam, go for positive answer. Whatsoever is the thing, like if you can read the answer, you can know that this is the negative answer and this cannot be correct.
Always positive.
Always positive.
It's like Indian love story movies. Happy ending. You listen to that. Fine together, we are happy life. Oh, okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Okay, I just ask here. Do
Yes,
you
sir.
found any set of questions so bigger, lengthy? Do you found like that
Not
questions?
exactly. And agile questions are, I literally told you, like if you can give the, if you can see the question, then you can also say, oh, this is PMP question. Because sir, agile question, like, I'm not sure, like maybe, because I'm pretty good in agile, so that's why I'm telling you. But like if you can see the question, then you can also tell me that, oh, is this really a PMP question?
But actually, no. Agile is not so tough. It's actually
Yes, sir.
easy. Actually, agile is easy. Plan driven is the toughest one. Cost
Yes, sir.
management,
Plan driven is.
drill down. Okay. Well, so no calculation, no
Sir,
mathematics.
like calculation is there, but I did it from my mind itself, and it's not like that you have to open that calculator and do all that thing. So I did it from mind, and it's pretty good.
Okay, that's that's interesting. I think I'm hearing very positive from your side that this is doable. A person who prepared for 2020, a little bit layer of addition over agile will sure help them. That way, a person is from already working in agile model. It's going to be a cakewalk for them. Okay.
Sir, as like you just have to complete this PMBOK, like first complete this PMBOK and just go for Griffith and just take a look, because these two books are pretty sufficient. Like what I feel, because when I saw this Rita book I find little tougher as compared to these books, sir.
Okay, but also PMI has something called Agile Practice Guide that is 150 pages.
Yes,
I
sir.
think
Agile. I already completed that book, sir.
I think that is sufficient. They have a Kanban in that. They have given a Scrum in that.
Yes,
I
sir.
think enough for that. But as you said, if somebody is not from IT industry, they should read the Mike Griffith book at least a little bit. All right,
Yes, sir.
that's pretty good.
Sir,
Great.
because from XD, I don't think so that we have any question from this XP. So, like we have question from this Agile and Scrum only. Like what project life cycle you have to follow, like this happened then what you should do, this happened then what you should do. So like most question are the scenario based question only, and it's like real our real day-to-day work, sir. Because in Kanban also I can imagine that they have created a Kanban board for me and told me that which should be there. So like most of the things are pretty real world, sir.
Right, right.
So
This is good.
maybe I can say one thing that they want now that you should those who are working in this thing, they should have this thing. So it's like that they want a pretty exposure as well, sir.
Practical knowledge is
Yes,
expected.
sir. Practical knowledge is there, sir. So like this is what the little bit they want to tell us.
Okay, so 180 questions. How long it took to complete for you out of 4.5 hours?
Sir, I spend whole time, sir. Yes, like I just targeted that 90 minutes for 60 question. That's it. So if the question is already in the second slot in 84 minutes, I have done those questions. So for 6 minutes, I review those things, because from 60 to 120, I wait for 6 minutes and then only I will close, because I did pretty good time boxing, and time boxing is the one. Like if you stuck to the question, leave that. Like maybe we have a luck that this question is not having the marks.
Okay, okay.
But like you have to complete all the questions. That's it.
That's a valuable point.
So like overall I say in I left 3 minutes when I have completed all the question. So I
Oh,
just say, okay, let's end this exam now.
that's really good, right? They reduced to 20 questions and they
Yes, sir.
increased the time by half an hour. So I think very
Yes, sir.
reasonable.
That's what I'm telling you. Like, if I have to give this exam in 230 minutes, then things will be little tougher for me.
Oh, okay.
And
Even
one
I,
more thing is there, like because my expiry date is on May, so I just plan that if I won't get succeed this time, then I will give another attempt.
you are ready for multiple. Huh?
No, no, sir. Because the thing is that I have to go. That's it.
I know it touched your prestige. Let me make. Okay, that's great. So how is your family feeling about it? Did you communicate
Yeah,
with them?
they all are feeling pretty happy.
great. That's great. I know you just did. You're going to vacate and go home, or you will be in the hotel today?
No, sir, I will be here only. They won't allow me that for 4 hours just go for exam.
Did you tell to the hotel that you are going for exam? Did you say that? Because some people inform them, don't switch. I mean, make sure internet is good for me in the room because I'm
Yes,
going
sir.
for. You mentioned
Yes,
it.
sir. I have all the discussion with them before only because sir, if in between the exam, if you lost internet or something happens, sir, no one can do because we all have the fiber line and we cannot rely on those. So we want a kind of mental peace when we are giving the examination. That's it. So
I, I like this idea of a hotel, so we can encourage some people. This is the right time. Take a room in a hotel, write exam, relax, have a good morning breakfast, and go home. Right. Okay. Interesting. Great, and I'm so happy about you, and I'm proud for your achievement and let lot come up in your life. If you want to give some do's and don'ts, anything you come up in your mind.
Sir, for the do's, I will just tell you that just follow who has cleared the PMP examination. It's like that if you go to the YouTube, you can find like almost 1 lakh video on this PMP. So you can give, it's like that endless thing. Like you can read, and then exam come and then you see, oh, for this I have to read this thing. So something maybe I guess I'm that lucky that my question are not that level, but maybe for someone it is very very complex as well. So I cannot say right now, but for me the thing is that you have to be pretty precise. You have to read pretty specific things. You don't
Yes,
have to go there and there.
yes,
So if
yes.
you will follow that thing, then it will be good because like my journey, I completed head first, then I completed this PMBOK I read twice, then this ACP I read also, then Griffith. So I don't think so that I have any need for Rita. But in between I read Rita as well. That I'm going, so let's go it for full way. So like
You, you did not leave any book in the market. You read every book, and you're telling exam is easy.
sir, because like I had to clear it.
Well prepared. I like the way you did.
Yes, sir.
Thanks for the do's you're telling there. So one
Yes, sir.
interesting message I got from you is a person who prepared earlier for PMP, no need to
Yes, sir.
worry. You
Yes,
have to
sir.
add some more content about Agile if you are not depth into Agile. If already you're working into Agile model, guys, if you know Scrum, if you know Kanban, if you
Yes,
know
sir.
how to choose a project model between plan driven or Agile model,
Yes, sir. Plan driven and then hybrid. Why should you are choosing that hybrid? So you have to be pretty sure about those things.
right? So when you're comfortable on that, I think this exam should do well. But what you mentioned here is the multi-choice is slightly tricky. We have to be
Yes, sir.
careful there, and the fill in the blanks also slightly tricky.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, that's interesting. Great, super. How many days sleepless nights you had for preparation?
I literally I have to work 9 hours per day for my organization. So I just sleep for 3 hours. I sacrifice my cricket match as well right now. That no, I won't go for that.
You didn't see India won the series,
Yeah.
man. You missed it, but it's
And
okay.
I didn't inform Rahul that I am giving this examination. I just want to be, because last time he told me that no, you are not getting good marks in prepcast, so you don't have to go.
Paul would have said that the only worry is the money should not go wasted because
Yes, sir.
you guys are putting a lot of effort and money. If in case we lose the exam, that will put your moral down.
Sir, the thing is that if your exam will going to expire on say June or July. So if you failed right now, then PMP group, they will give you discount. So at least you can give a try. But if you go for May right now and you failed, then it's very hard. Then again you have to prepare the same things and do the same things. So at least you can try 2 times if you are registered. So that's what my suggestion is.
Some huge percentage are giving, right? Discount.
Yeah, sir. Right now they are pretty good because I canceled my exam and like they told me that they will charge around 70-80 dollars for that thing. But when I sent them email, they told me that no, you can just reschedule your exam. So
right.
I just feel pretty good that they are supporting a lot right now.
Right. So what I feel is they are making it 180 questions, 4.5 hours, and also they are giving a chance if in case somebody fails, you can rewrite the exam with a better discount price. I think they're encouraging people. What you're saying is right. The first 3 4 months of this year, people have to close their exams. Right. That's a
Yes,
good.
sir. Because I'm very sure that soon they will get it tougher, sir. Soon they will get it tougher.
PMI knows what to do, where to screw up. Only will make that the 4.5 hours to 3 hour 50 minutes. And the questions which you said small, it will become big slowly.
No, sir,
PMI,
because if I will give this exam in 2:30, then there are chances that I won't give our target, sir.
they'll put a pressure going forward. They'll do. Now it's there. I think at least April, May it will be there. Meantime, somebody has to jump and close the exams. Okay.
Because sir, there are few uncertainty as well, that like the PM this PM box is changing as well. So maybe they have some different format or something like that. So
That is not changing. That is not changing. We are going to write an
okay,
exam,
sir.
common call exam content outline.
Yes,
It's
sir.
pretty same format what we followed earlier. Nothing big change. It's all good.
Mm-hmm.
Thanks, Abhijit, for coming up here. I know you did exam just now. You will be thirsty. You will be hungry to have food. You need to sleep well. But again, within 20 minutes of exam, you came here, and so happy to hear from you directly what happened on the field.
And I'm extremely thankful to you. Like you and Rahul both motivate me a lot. So everything is pretty good. And one thing, like Rahul gave me that ACP video as well. So I'm thankful for that as well, because that helped me a lot. So
Guiding
it's
you to
like combined effort, because we know that we can crack the exam, but when we don't have mentor, we cannot know what is the date when we have to crack the exam. So like I luckily find you.
right. So happy that you took that initiative to jump it. I used to tell that until you jump, you don't know whether you will fly or fall down. So I think you are flying now, top of the world, and let this video help many people who are going for the examination. Only message is don't wait. Once you feel comfortable,
Yes, sir.
jump the exam. Don't wait for it.
Yes,
Right?
sir. And sir, just one more thing: book the date. Whatsoever is the thing, if you cannot book the date, you cannot give the exam.
That's a clear message. If you don't book the date, nothing will happen. Okay. That sounds good. Super. Thanks a lot, Abhijit, for coming up here. I'm sure you need good rest. Take good rest. Now you are into top 2% category. Enjoy your life. All right.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for your time.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.